gotta first listen to your teacher. Go. You gotta put your eyes in, silly. This is your last thing and then you're done. Okay, okay. Ready? Eyes in, go. 1, 2, 3. Breathe. Good girl, see? Okay, now we're gonna do trees. I'm gonna chop you down. You wanna be apple tree, banana tree, Christmas tree? Chop, chop, chop. Timber. You're okay. I'm still holding you. Lay on your back. I'm not dropping you. I'm still holding you. You're okay. Hey, listen. I hold on to the whole time, okay? You don't have to be so sad. No more screaming. You did awesome. Can you give me a bear hug?
No, you're okay.
Okay,